I'm gonna show you again. 1, 2, and 3 laser diffusers. This car doesn't have a lot of horsepower. It doesn't need it. The problem is that there's a speeding ticket involved, and K40 Electronics can be installed on exotics and not exotics. How's it going? My name is Chase from Next Level. We are a custom car and audio shop. Today we're here to talk about K40 Electronics speed ticket protection. We carry a full line of all the products from K40 Electronics, including the radar receivers, laser diffusers, interface, hidden remote, and GPS module. K40 laser diffuser. You can only get these from authorized dealers. Next Level is authorized dealer and installer of all the laser diffusers, radar detectors, remotes, blinky lights, everything from K40. So come stop in, get your free quote on your K40 Electronics, and stop speeding tickets from happening to you. What's up, everybody? We got another really fast car that's asking for speed ticket protection. We installed K40 Electronics on this Cadillac CTS-V. Come check it out. So we installed 3 laser diffusers in the front bumper. 1, 2, and 3 laser diffusers. This is going to protect from Dragon Eye gun that the new cops have in their squad cars. Before, it was only 2 sensors could protect the car. Now we have 3 to protect from that new technology that the police have. And we have 2 in the back bumper. And we also have a front radar and a rear radar detector. So right there, you hear laser from K40. It's going to detect laser, but not diffuse, because we have the 3 diffusers in the front. This also does laser diffuser and radar detection for the front and the rear of the car. Only 1 unit for the dash. This is the electronics from K40 Platinum 100 portable radar laser protection. It's a wireless remote control included that we have up here to adjust sound and other settings. Easy for the driver to access. With this remote, we have mark to mute, quiet the ride, there's sensitivity adjustments, reducing false alerts, and it's all based around GPS intelligence.
Mute on.
So this is the laser diffuser tester. This is going to shoot the laser. This is how we know the electronics are working properly after we install them before the delivery to the customer. So we test the laser, what you saw, and we also have a radar gun that we shoot at the car to make sure that the radar unit is also working. We test everything before the product is ever delivered to the customer. So we are in a Toyota FJ Cruiser with K40 radar detector and laser diffusers installed. We got our test Bushnell radar gun and a laser that we're going to test with the front end to show you how it integrates with the front screen inside the dash here. If you want more information about speed ticket protection, we do offer a couple of lines of products here at Next Level. We're doing this 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. We're in the Soto district of Orlando, Florida. We'd love to come down, love you have to come down and take a look at what we can offer you today.